Second part of looking at surds, and we're just going to look at how we can simplify some surds. Now we've got the square root of 8 cubed. Now if I rewrite that as the square root of 8 squared times the square root of 8, makes it quite easy to simplify. The square root of 8 squared is 8. And this leaves me with the square root of 8. Now I already know that the square root of 8, so multiply it by is, remember from the first video, is 2 root 2. So this one is 8 times 2, 16, and a root 2 left over. Right, second type. I want to do, here I've got a 2 and a root 3 and I'm squaring it. Now don't fall into the trap of just squaring each number. Actually remember that that's 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 3. So what's going to happen is we're going to do 2 times 2 to get 4. We're going to get 2 times root 3 to get 2 root 3's. Then we're going to do 3 times 2 to get to another 2 root 3's. And finally, we're going to do root 3 times root 3, which is root 3 squared, which is 3. Now we can add together these two numbers because they are both normal, they're both rational numbers, to get 7. And I can add together, I've got 2 root 3's here and another 2 root 3's here, so it gives me 4 root 3. Okay, another one. Fairly straightforward, bit of practice. You can pause if you don't want to see the answer, but this is 6. This is 2 root 5's. This is minus 3 root 5's, and we've got minus root 5 times plus root 5. Now root 5 times root 5 is 5, but because we've got a plus and a minus, we're going to say it's minus 5. Minus and plus. So again, let's take our rational numbers. Remember, this isn't 5, this is minus 5, so it gives me 1. 2 root 5's take away 3 root 5's gives me negative 1 root 5. Okay, let's have another look at another one, and this is going to help us with the final video in the Surds series. This is a special one, and we'll see why next. We've got 5 times 5, obviously 25. We've got 5 take away root 3. So it's 5 take away root 3. And we've got root 3 times 5, which is plus 5 root 3. So you can see what's happening there with the root 3's. They're actually going to disappear. And we've got plus and a minus, so we're going to have a minus. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. So this one has turned out to be 25, take away 3, give me 22. So this one, the surds have completely disappeared. And that's done it because of this plus root 3, minus root 3, and the fact that they're both the same here. Finally, let's have a look at this one. Initially, it looks like we can't add these together because they're two completely different surds, but let's think about simplifying them. And this is 9 times 3, and 9 times 3, square root of 9 times 3 is 3 root 2. I beg your pardon, it's 3 root 3. And we're going to add on. Now, that can be divided by 16. 16 is a square number. And 16, square root of 16 is 4, so it's 4, and 48 divided by 16 is 3. So we end up with 3 root 3's plus 4 root 3's. Well, that's 7 root 3's. So that's just one to watch out for when you're asked to simplify surds.